How to add your own songs to Instagram story. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So in order to add your own songs in Instagram story, you will need to get the latest version of Instagram. So first, launch your Instagram Play Store and then make sure you have the latest version. If there is an update button instead of this open button, tap on that and get the latest version. After that, launch your Instagram application. Now tap on the plus icon, go to story. Now select a post that you want to add in your story. Tap on this music icon. So you cannot add your own music directly, but however, you can use this feature. This feature is not available for everyone, but go to the stickers and then go to add yours music. So yeah, as you can see, it cannot be used in videos, but you can do it if you are posting a photo. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.